Hi, my name is Belinda, and this is Avery. We're both so happy that you're here. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified every time we post something new. And if you like today's video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on my socials at Belinda & Co. I hope y'all like what y'all see today. Bye! Can you say bye?
Bye.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts.
What y'all see me doing right now is just folding all the towels that I used to clean. I put them in an acrylic bin so that they're easier for me to see. I normally color code everything by what I'm cleaning, depending on bathroom, if it's an all-purpose or if it's furniture. The silver bins is what I installed in the beginning. They pull out and it helped me be able to see what's in the back a lot easier than having to pull everything out. Unfortunately, they didn't fit in the bottom, but it still helps with what I was able to do.
The stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flame. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
So now I'm just putting all the holiday activities that I have for the kids in a bin, along with anything else that needs to be contained. It just makes finding things a lot easier if you contain it.
we could really meet. Layers, it's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. Scary, it can be rough and quite fearsome, but to win big you gotta risk some, and I'm not like the
As you can tell, I love acrylic bins. I just feel like it makes everything so much simpler to find. It looks so clean to me, and I just like the simplicity of it all.
strong. It's been too long. Oh, love is lovely when it starts.
So anytime that I'm doing any kind of deep cleaning, I like to clean every single surface of any room. Right now I'm going to clean every area of the washer and the dryer. As you can tell, the back of the washer and dryer hadn't been cleaned for a while. There was a ton of lint that was escaping. I normally do this every few months. I start out with my vacuum, see how much I can pick up with that, try to keep all the mice dust from flying around everywhere. Unfortunately, that doesn't always work, so I have to go in with the broom. Here I am still trying to get it with the vacuum.
We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Yes, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me. We don't need to work so hard.
As you can tell, the broom has finally made its debut. And if you can see how much junk was picked up, it's kind of embarrassing, to be honest.
Oh, we don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been too long.
Here I'll be going back in with the multi-surface cleaner. I've been using the Mrs. Meyer's surface cleaner for a while now. I love all their scents.
Are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed.
You'll get to see the after of everything that I cleaned behind the washer and dryer and see how clean it looks. I'm gonna go in and deep clean the washer with the Tide self-cleaning solution. All you do is pour it into the washer, set your washer to self-clean, and just let it work while you're doing something else. It leaves your washer smelling so clean, and your whole entire house for that fact.
Turn the bed.
So Ayla's decided to come in and join in on the fun. She's tired of being by herself, entertaining herself in her jumper, so she wants to join in. So personally, I hate having any kind of boxes or containers of any sort. So I always prefer to pour everything into some kind of container. For laundry, I prefer glass containers. I just feel like it holds up a little bit better. So here's our OxyClean. Next I'll do our borax. Here's the borax. I always use a label maker. If not, I have professional labels made, but I didn't have that. I didn't do that in time, so I'm just going to use this for now. Well, that's all for my first video. We've completed the laundry room organization and cleaning. It definitely took me a lot longer than I'm used to. Ayla was just not having it today. She wanted to be held and wanted to help Mama as much as she could, but that just makes things a little bit harder. I hope you enjoyed, and remember to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and tune in to next time. Bye!
Know me. Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier.